Morning, Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. We're going to put a paper release lever on this Smith Corona. This is a Cornet Automatic 12. It's got power return, but it's actually the same paper release they've used since 1960 or so. So all the machines, manual or electric, in this version, the two-spool version type machines, use the same lever. The same piece of metal with a little ball on the end and a pivot. Every single machine uses that same lever. That's how good these are. 1960s, 1970s, all the way up to 85. Same lever. This one's, the tip is broken off there. See that? The tip is broken. So we're going to fix that. And it probably broke, this one in particular, broke probably because it came in a soft case, one of these bags, and it probably, took a little hit right here. Right here, see what? That's the high point of the machine, so that's probably what happened. But let's change this. It looks fairly easy, so we're going to go ahead and do it on camera here. So we're going to pull the platen out. First, I'll plug this in. Give me a little more room. Platen comes out pretty easy in these models. I'll wedge it out of there. And I'm not sure if I need to pull the paper pan. I don't think so. I think we're going to do it like this. Although I don't see a whole lot of light here, but looks like the pivot's right here. And it's held in by a screw and probably a shoulder screw. And it's got this spring attached to it here that holds the bail up. So we're going to take that spring off first. It's a pretty strong spring, it looks like. Oops. There she goes. And I think that's a 1/4 inch. And I've got a 1/4 inch nut driver here. That's it. Let's loosen that up. See if this nut will come off all the way. Yes. There's the nut. And let's see. So that's probably threaded in, I think. So let's see if it's got threads on it. It's also got, tension with the screw or the spring. We can release the tension, and then we don't have to worry about it. Well, okay. Just going to leave that spring flop there, and then the lever is kind of flopping here, so it looks like it's just the one screw holding it in there. Right there. And it does look like it's threaded. It's not coming right out or anything, so screw it here. Yep, it's got threads, so it might, I was going to say it might not be a shoulder screw, but it is. Okay, so grab that with. Okay, so there's the screw, it's a shoulder screw. And the lever. And just for fun, let's match it up. Looks like a match. Like I said, I do believe this lever is the same for all these machines. Oh, there's the old lever. Let's stick this guy in place. The roller bar goes like that. Alright, let's put the screw on the screwdriver. and get this thing started. That might be the hardest part of the whole thing here. Let's see how this process works. I'm going to magnetize my screwdriver here real quick. Give it a little more. A little more grip for this screw. Alright, so there she goes like that. Let's get this thing started. Angle's not the greatest here, so. Okay, she started. Okay, it's going to be pretty simple. I bet we just tighten this up. Snug here. Let's see if it still moves freely. Sure enough. So the shoulder, you know, you can bottom out that. You can tighten that down, and then we're going to just have to put the nut on. That. Snug that down, nut driver. So put the spring back on. The tough old spring. Okay. Get under one more loop, I think. Perfect. Okay, so that's got everything in order on that side. Spin this around. All we got to do is reposition this paper pin spring up there to that notch. We'll give it a test run. Looks right. In. It's got to be flush, and you got to. There it goes. Okay. Snap that cover down. That's it. What was that? An 8-minute fix? It looks like. Good deal. Plug this in. We'll give it a quick little test here. So, paper release. Perfect. Perfect. Pushes the bail up here. Perfect. Stays in place. Perfect. Do not do what I just did. Jam two keys together up here and hit return. It doesn't like that. Machine has a hell of a return. Look at that return. Doesn't like that too much either. Look into that. Alright, maybe that'll be the next video. Tabulator. Malfunctioning somewhere. But for now, our video for the paper release is done. Good day.